Good morning, class. So our next exercise is based on construction of parallelogram, square, rhombus, and rectangle. So for first, it is the construction of parallelograms. So in this, first I would like you people to know a few properties for parallelogram, because these properties are used in this construction. Like for first, here if we draw a parallelogram ABCD. Okay, this is our parallelogram ABCD. So what we can do, here AB, BC, CD and AD and DA are the squares, are the sides of the parallelogram. Okay, AB, BC, CD, DA are sides. Okay, and AC and BD, here this AC, BD and this AC are the diagonals. What next? Here our opposite sides, that is AB is equals to CD always. Okay, opposite sides of parallelogram are always equal, and this AD is equals to BC as well. Okay, this AD is equals to BC and this is equals to this. And if this is the point O, okay, this diagonal BD is cut into two equal half at point O. Here BO will be equals to OD, as it is bisected. AD diagonal is bisected, that is cut into, BD diagonal is bisected, that is cut into two equal halves, and here AO is also equals to OC, and these are half of complete diagonals. Okay, these are half of complete diagonals. Okay, these are the four properties. And one more thing, here angle A will be equals to angle C, and angle B will be equals to angle D. Here this complete angle will be equals to this complete angle, this complete will be equals to this complete. Okay, this B and D are equal and A and C are equal. Okay, so moving to the first question. So this is our first question. Here first we will construct a rough diagram for it. We have said that AB is 5 cm. How will you proceed with this question? We will first construct AB, that will be 5 cm. What next? Angle B is 120 degree. We will keep the compass pin and draw this arc, this and this. So here this is 120 degree. Okay, what next? We have said that BC is 3.2, BC, so here we can get the point of C, 3.2. okay, C comes just above the B, so it is C point. What next? We have said that, so here BC is 3.2, so here AD will also be 3.2. okay, here AD will also be 3.2. we will keep the pin here and draw an arc of 3.2 here, and we'll keep at and if AB is 5 centimeter, what we will do, we will take a arc of AB is 5, then this DC will also be 5. We will keep the pin at C and draw arc of 5 cm here. We will get this point as D. We will then join them. Okay, this is 5 centimeters, this is 3.2 centimeters. So we will do it the same way. We will first draw the base AB as 3.5 centimeters. This is 0 to 5. This is AB 5 centimeters. Now angle B is 120 degree. Okay, angle B is 120 degree. This is the point for 120 degree. We will take a long line here. Okay, this is 120 degree line. Now we have said that BC is 3.2. We will take an arc of 3.2. This is 3.2. We will keep the pin at B and draw 3.2 here. This is 3.2 centimeters. Okay. If BC is 3.2, this AD will also be 3.2. So you will draw an arc of 3.2 this way also. Now this, if AD is AB was 5, this I said that this CD will also be 5. We have got a point of C here. We will construct an arc of 5 centimeters. This is 5 centimeter. Keeping the pin at C. This is our point of intersection, which comes as D. So we will just construct it. And we will join this as well. So this is our quadrilateral ABCD, where this is 5 centimeters, this is 3.2 centimeters. Okay, this was 120 degree. So this is our next question here. Here we have said that BC is 4.5. BC is the side of quadrilateral, so we will take this side as the base. Okay, we will construct here this BC as 4.5 centimeter. Okay. This is BC, 4.5 centimeters. BC is 4.5, that is side in front of BC, that is AD will also be 4.5. Okay, now we have said that BD is 4 centimeters. BD is the diagonal. Okay, and AC is also diagonal. Okay, and I have told you before that here the diagonals are half and meet each other at point O. Okay, this is a point of intersection of diagonal, so we will take half of each diagonal. So here half of each diagonal, that is BD, will be 2 centimeters. We will take an arc of 2 centimeter here. That will be from B to O. Okay, from B to O. Okay, we will write it as, we'll write here as BO equals to 2 centimeters and OC is also 2.8 centimeters, that is half. Okay, here we will take now OC from C to O. Here it is B to O, that is C to O, that is 2.8. So it is 2.8. This is 2.8 from C to O. It is meeting at this point. So this is our point O. Okay, now we will construct this. We will make a big long lines here. And this Okay. Now what we have said that this full BD is 4 centimeter. We will take arc of 4 centimeter. This. So from B to this point. This is our point D. Now from C it is 5.6. We will take an arc of 5.6. Okay. From C it is 5.6. So this is our point. Now we will join them. This is our point A and this is point D. So we will join this as well. Okay, and this as well. Okay, so this is our parallelogram A, B, C and D. So our next here is construction of rectangles. For construction of rectangle, in a rectangle, if this is our rectangle ABCD, A, B, C and D, this is rectangle. So here all the points are at 90 degree. Okay, all the corners are at 90 degree. Here AB is equals to CD, opposite sides are equal, and BC is equals to AD. Opposite sides are equal. This equals to this and this equals to this. What next? Our diagonal AC is equals to diagonal BD. AC is equals to BD. Here both the lengths are equal and this intersect each other at point O, that is they bisect each other at point O. Here this will be equals to this and this is equals to this. Means overall if we see this and this are equal, AC and BD are equal, so our all are equal. Okay, our all small parts are equal. Why we are taking 3 lines here? Because 2 we have taken for the opposite lines. Okay, what next? Next we are going to start with the question for rectangle. So starting with the question here, our question says that construct a rectangle whose adjacent sides are 5.6 centimeters and 4 centimeters. So what will we do? Adjacent sides means whose length and breadth are 4 centimeters. So we will construct the length at the bottom first, that is 5.6 centimeters. This is 5.6 centimeters. We will write it as AB. Okay, now this our adjacent side, this BC and AD both are 4 centimeters. What will we do? We will first construct a 90 degree at point B. Here 90 degree at B. Okay, now this intersects here. So this is our 90 degree at point B. Okay, now I will make one more 90 degree at point A because all the corners are 90 degree. Okay, this is one more 90 degree at point A. Okay, Now we have said that these adjacent sides are 4 centimeters, so we will take an arc of 4 centimeter both the sides. Okay. This was our 4 centimeter, right? Look, so we have constructed an arc, so we have got this point as C and this as D. Now we will construct it. As we have got the 2 point of intersection, this and this, this and this, this and this. So this is our point C. Always the 2 point of intersections are considered as the point, or not a single point is, a single intersection is not considered a point. So here this is CD. So this was 4 centimeters, this was also 4 centimeters, this is 90 degree, this is also 90 degree. So this is our rectangle ABCD. So this is our next question. Here first we will construct a rough figure. We have to construct a rectangle ABCD. Here this A, B, okay, this is AB, that is 4 centimeters. Angle BAC, that is, this is given as 60 degree. Okay, this will be 90 degree. Okay, this remaining angle, this complete was 90. Okay, this complete is 90 degree. So if this is 4, so this will also be 4 centimeters. This opposite sides are equal. Okay. So now we will start with the question. We will construct the base first, that is 4 centimeters AB. This is AB 4 centimeters. Okay. Now we will make 60 degree at A. Okay. This is our 60. We also have a 90 degree line at A. We will also make a 90 degree here. Okay. This is for 60 degree and this is for 90 degree. So we will construct this. Okay. And what we have said that angle B will be 90 degree. So we will make, because it is a rectangle, so we will make a 90 degree at B also. Okay. So this is our 90 degree point. We will construct this line. Okay. it intersects this line. Look, this will go and meet at point C. B constructing at 90 degree will meet at C, and this A will also going to C. So this is the point of intersection. This is our point C. Okay, and here this is also a 90 degree. Okay, so we'll construct this as well. And then from C there is, this line is 4 centimeters. We'll take an arc of 4 centimeters. This arc of 4 centimeters, keeping at C. Okay. Or you can also make a 90 degree at point C, as this is also 90 degree. Okay, so we'll keep the pin at C and construct a 90 degree here. This is the point of 90 degree. So we'll construct this line here from C. Look, this is our point A, B, C we have got, and this is our point D. So this is our rectangle A, B, C, D. Our next topic here is construction of rhombus. So in rhombus, its all sides are equal. Okay, it's means if this is ABCD, then AB equals to BC equals to CD equals to DA. Its all sides are equal. Its opposite angles are also equal, that is angle A equals to angle C and angle B equals to angle D. Its diagonals bisect each other, okay, at O, and form, these are perpendicular bisectors. BD and AC diagonal are perpendicular. Perpendicular means they cut at 90 degree and bisect each other. Bisect each other, that is, here this BO will be equals to OB and OA equals to will be OC. This is half of AC, and this BO is equals to OD equals to BD upon 2. Okay, so starting with the first question for rhombus. Starting with this question, here the question says that one side of rhombus is 5 centimeters, that is, its base is 5 centimeter, means all sides are 5 centimeter. We will construct 5 centimeter first. This is AB. This is 5 centimeters. Okay. Now what? One edge is said to be 45 degree. Means one edge is at 45 degree. If we take this A as 45 degree, for 45 degree we will first construct 90 and then bisect it. So this is our 90. So this is our 90 point. Now what, we will bisect this 90. Okay, this is 45 degree. Okay, we will construct a line 45 degree through this. Okay, of this Our every side is 5 centimeter. In a rhombus all sides are equal, so we will construct the arc of 5 centimeter. Here we will get our D point. Okay, we will construct the arc of 5 centimeter. Okay, this is 5. So taking this. Okay, this is our point at 5 centimeters. Okay, so this is our point D. Okay, our every side is 5 centimeters, so we can take an arc of 5 centimeter from here also, as every side is 5 centimeter. Okay, this is also 5 centimeter here. From here also it is 5 centimeter, as our every edge is equal. So we have got our this point as C. So we will construct this as well. Okay, so this is our point. This is 5 centimeters. This is 45 degree. This is 5 centimeters. This is also 5 centimeters. So this is our rhombus ABCD with all the sides 5 centimeters and one edge at 45 degree. So the next question says here is we have to construct a rhombus whose diagonals are given as 6.8 and 5.2 centimeters. So going for 6.8, look, for our diagonals of rhombus, I have told you of two properties, that its diagonals are perpendicular bisector, that they form 90 degree and they cut at equal points, that is they meet at the midpoints of each other. So we will do the same thing. We will first make one diagonal and construct a perpendicular bisector on it. Okay, first we will make one line that is of 6.8 centimeters. Okay, this is 6.8. Okay, this is 6.8 line, and now what, we will make a perpendicular bisector on it, as diagonals meet. This is our diagonal AC. Okay, now we'll make a perpendicular bisector on it. And with this perpendicular bisector is drawn by taking a length of more than half from each side. Okay, and constructing two arcs above and below it. And now we'll join this. Okay, this is our second diagonal, and this length is given as 5.2 centimeters. Okay, and this is at equal points. This was 6.8 centimeters, and this is, we have to draw a 5.2 centimeter arc. Means equally at above and equal at down. Means 2.6 above, that is 5.2 upon 2 equals to 2.6 centimeter above and below. Okay, so we will take an arc of 2.6. Okay, so this is, so now we have got these point. This was B, C and D. So these are the points at 2.6 and 2.6. Total it forms a 5.2 line. Okay, 2.6 above, 2.6 below. Out of 6.8, 3.4 here, 3.4 here, and this is at 90 degree. So we have got the 4 points. This is point B, and here this is point D, from here till C, and from here till D. So this is our rhombus ABCD. So our next is construction of square. So what is a square? I will tell you about the properties of square. All sides are equal in a square. That is AB equals to BC equals to CD equals to AD. all sides are equal and all are at 90 degree to each other. Okay, means angle A equals to angle B equals to angle C equals to angle D, all are at 90 degree. And here the diagonals AC and BD, AC equals to BD, they also are equal, diagonals are also equal, and AC and BD are So this is our question that says that here square diagonal is given as 6 point. This question says that square diagonal is given as 6.2 centimeters. Okay. So what will we do? We will construct a diagonal in between that is of 6.2 centimeters. Okay. 6.2. This is diagonal, suppose AC, 6.2 centimeters. Now for after this our diagonals are at perpendicular bisector, so we will construct a perpendicular bisector here. Okay.
सर थोड़ा डिस्टर्ब करेंगे आप,
So here this
हमें कुछ पता ही नहीं, अभी तो हमने कुछ फॉलो ही नहीं किया, पीएड वाले तो आज ही फॉलो कर रहे हैं।
this is our perpendicular bisector.
जो आज सर वो है जो टाइम टेबल हम आज से follow आज से लैब में रखी
So this is our perpendicular bisector. Here this is 6.2.
आओ
So above also it is half are equal, that is 3.1 above and 3.1 above. So this is 3.1, 3.51 up and 3.1 down. So these are the 4 points. Okay. So this is our square A, this is B, this is C, and this is D.